DOLV 0435 really starting to make some moves here, up 33%. For all you guys that are just watching this for the first time, look at this, 0009. 0009 is where we first started watching this one. I said, wait, watch for the pullback 0007 to fill the gap. And watch this one all the way through up, and look at that. I mean, really, from the 000 area, 0009, and you guys can go back and watch that video from February 9th. I mean, that is back when we first started watching this one. And then I said over here on the 5th, I'm sorry, the 7th, which is going to be after that big move, I said it's 0310. That was going to be back down here. We started watching this one. I said gap filling might go sideways for a few days. Support at 0304 and 0190, and the resistance at 0480. And that's where you guys see that right now coming up here. You guys are, I mean, look at that. They're just really pushing that up here at the 0446 right now. You know, you guys gapped up again from the 0325. Let me put a line across here so you can see that as well. There we go. Right there, let me see where that was the close. 032425. You guys now gapped up. So now, again, that is going to leave you guys, unfortunately, with another gap here that we're going to be watching. Could it keep going from here? Absolutely. The volume has dropped off, though. Starting to really pick up that momentum here at 11:30 a.m. Eastern. So keep an eye on this gap. The previous gaps were filled. Now it formed another one. You guys are going to have a little bit of resistance level up here. It's tapping it right now. I mean, it just obviously it's at the high of the day right now as well. And you guys are starting to move. We'll watch on how this one plays out here. 0450, I would say, is going to be the resistance level. Going back across the pass, that's exactly where you just tapped right now. But again, keep in mind with that gap. And we'll see what Joe has to add with this
one. All right, so since we looked at it last on the 7th, there's the annual reports up. And what else was it? Then there's an attorney letter with respect to current information as well. So the annual report for the December 31st, 2016, plus the attorney letters there. So they're now pink current. So I'm just pulling that up. They also, last time we went over this company, we went over their that last press release. It was Dolat Ventures, acquired by China-based battery manufacturer. So on April 6th, they announced its recent corporate developments. The control of the company was acquired by Mr. Dequan Wang on January 11, 2017, pursuant to an agreement that was entered into on December 2nd, 2016. On that date, Mr. Wang acquired 300,000 shares of the company Class C preferred stock, which is convertible into 750 million shares of the company's common stock and carries an equal number of votes. So, and this is the one that they also plan on changing the name. So, incorporation authorizing the preferred stock, the company also acquired all of the issued outstanding shares of Jimang Yang Amperex Technology Limited, a Chinese corporation, in exchange for 100,000 Class D preferred stock convertible into 100 million shares of the company's common stock, subject to the FINRA approval of the company, will reflect a new business combination by changing its name to JB and with the and symbol ZJMJ Holding Company Incorporated, and seeking a new symbol. All right, so this annual report, let me just pull this up really quick. All right, so as of the December 31st, showing that the total authorized is 2 billion shares. Total outstanding 699,691,800. Total unrestricted is 658,073,319. And let's see, let me go down to the numbers. You know what? I'm gonna read what they got on the products too, because I was interested in what the company does. All right, so for products, it says the company's operating unit is based in China and holds a number of Chinese and foreign patents pertaining to long-lasting batteries, ideal for the use in electric automobiles. The Chinese electric vehicle market, according to Bloomberg, became the world's largest in 2015, with 507,000 cars sold, and is expected to reach 2 million vehicles by 2020. The Chinese government has provided billions in subsidies to help car makers achieve large-scale production of electric vehicles. and has encouraged taxi fleets and government agencies to use electric automobiles. So the company has developed a small, low-cost, fully automatic, multifunction, and rechargeable rechargeable car power plant recharge system. It is a new type of nickel magnesium multi-phase lithium battery, a new material system, a new process, a new battery structure, the energy density per kilogram to 180 watt, 50% higher than the same specifications lithium iron phosphate battery. JP has also developed a prototype SUV electric vehicle that is able to go up to 600 kilometers, which is 373 miles on a single charge, and it's called the Millet Ming Yang V3. They actually have a picture of the thing up on the top. That's the reason why I wanted to see what they did. So they're producing their own vehicle. I'm just going down to see if they got, revenues in here. All right, so cash. So for the year ended on December 12/31/2015, they had 3,000. Is it in thousands or? Well, it's just showing 3,618 as, and then in 2016 is 20,318. So their current assets, right? Total current assets at year ended on 12/31/2015 was 99,343, as opposed to on the 2016 764,636. Let's see if they got this for revenues. All right, so revenues on 12/31/2015 was 57,850. On 12/31/2016, it was $180,977. Let's see. So net income on 12/31/2015, they're showing a negative, like a loss of $823,960. So the for the 12/31/2016, they're showing a profit, or like basically 25,530. So I mean that's a pretty big jump from a negative 823,000 to a positive 25,000 in the year. So let's see, cash finance. All right, so if you go down to page 16 on that annual report, you got the organization and basis of presentation, the whole company, give you more of an idea of what's going on with it. That's where I would start. All right, so if you have an opinion, you're looking to do more due diligence on this company, just go right over to that DOLV board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy ratings. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that DOLV board.
All right, and there's all the buttons that Joe was just talking about. The filings, financials, recent news, time and sales. Time and sales is a really important tool here, especially for you investors that don't watch Level 2 all day. So if you come home from work and want to see what the trades were over here on investorshangout.com, completely free. Most sites charge you for this information, and all of these tools are completely free here on investorshangout.com. So the time and sales is a great tool. Like I said, over here with the chart, again, 0448 is where we were watching this one. Gap at 0325 and 0368, resistance at 0450 and 0480, support at 0368, 0324, 0185. Could run if you break 05. Otherwise, we'll fill the gap. You guys got that break. She is running. You guys are watching this right now. Could go up much higher from here, in my opinion. When you get something like this, like I said, you guys watch for that break, and you guys are breaking it right now. As long as you guys close at or above 05, that will be a very, very signal sign of a run, in my personal opinion. One other thing that I do want to mention, so I don't forget here, is with big candles like this, that means big moves both ways. When you have a big candle going up, it could pull down just as fast. And with a big candle pull down, it could bounce just as fast. So keep that in mind when you're watching DOLV. And if you feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and get out there, please, and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards and forums. The more that you share this, the more that it's requested, the more we cover it. That is how we do it. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over here on investorshangout.com/live.